Hey everyone, today will be a quick video showing you how to find the best AI tools and how the experts are discovering them before anyone else. I'm making all these websites available in the description below in case you don't want to watch the full summary of them. The first website we're going to be looking at is called Futurepedia. This is, in my opinion, the best for finding AI tools due to its extensive list and overall layout. You can see new tools are being added every day and everything is really easily categorized to find what you want quickly. If you want to learn more about prompts, for example, we can just see there's an extensive use of AI tools available for us here. The next website is called There's an AI for That. Similar to Futurepedia, it holds an extensive layout of the best AI tools out there. I really like the options for searching from monthly to most saved. Search for what you want or simply start scrolling. Although I do think this website's design isn't as clean as the last one. The last website we're going to explore today is called futuretools.io. You can see the layout is similar to Futurepedia and has a huge array of different tools. Go to the top for categorize and you can easily find a load of tools related to that particular topic. And that's the end of the video. Just a quick one today, as I know a few people are struggling to find the latest tools. This should be more than enough, as these websites contain thousands of tools for you to leverage AI. Thanks for watching.